Hello everyone, I'm Amalthini. I've done BE Biomedical Engineering at Ishwari Engineering College, Chennai. I wanted to explore furthermore in the branch in the field of clinical research, where I came to know about Clinilaunch Research Institute in Bangalore, and I applied for this advanced diploma in clinical research. After I joined in the July batch of 2024, I have already completed more than 6 modules, which consisted of clinical research, pharmacology, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, which gave me lots of insight about the working of clinical trials, the phases of clinical trials, pharmacology, and working of how a tablet, how a medicine comes into the market. With all these insights, we were given a training for self development as well as for placement trainings, which also helped us develop our personal skills in communication, English, grammar, and other fields. With this, we applied for placements, and most of our friends got placed in various companies and reputed institutions. With this 6 months of course, I got an insight about how everything works in the field of medicine, apart from that of an actual hospitals, other than which medicines which needs to be getting into the hand of people. The whole process is actually difficult, and it requires a lot of patience. It requires a very accuracy in the data management, in the documentations, which they all taught us in the help of clinical data management and regulatory affairs. We had medical writing where we had case scenarios to write about. It was interesting, and we had a lot of skills and fun here in Bangalore. So now I like to thank Clinilaunch Research Institute for giving me this opportunity to learn about my field and also helping me in my placements.